Hi, I'm Devia Gugnani, and normally when they serve me white wine at a party, it's Chardonnay, and I cringe because I don't like that oaky flavor. So let's go behind the burner and meet the sommelier who's tasked to change my opinion. Alexis, when I taste Chardonnay, I get that oaky flavor and I just don't like it.
I totally understand what you mean, and you're not the only one. Consumers nowadays are drinking lighter, fresher, less oaked wines in general. Pinot Grigio, for example, has blown up, and California winemakers are going with that trend, using less oak in their winemaking. So some of our old standbys, such as Kendall Jackson, Murphy Good, Matanzas Creek, they've really lightened up on the oak.
And they've changed their wine style.
So we're going to taste Kendall Jackson, one of the most popular Chardonnay, actually wines in the world. And you probably remember the old days when it used to be a little sweet, very oaky, kind of over the top buttered popcorn.
It smells very creamy.
That's from malolactic fermentation. Malic acid is like green apple flavor. So you take that malic acid, this secondary fermentation turns it into lactic acid.
Right.
Lactic acid, I mean, what is that? Cream, butter,
right.
like
and
lactose.
It's got such a smooth finish, and it's just very buttery. It's not oaky at all. I actually like this Chardonnay.
Great! Oh my gosh, I changed your mind. So next we're going to try Murphy Good. This is from Sonoma. Another producer that's been in existence for a long time.
It has a little bit of a spice to it. It has a little bit of a kick and a little bit of a zing. It kind of reminds me more of a Sauvignon Blanc, not so much of a Chardonnay.
Exactly, and can you believe this wine is actually barrel fermented? Most of it, about 70%, about 30% is stainless steel fermented. The stainless steel part of it is giving you the apple flavor.
One of the things that I'm always confused about is I hear Chablis, Chardonnay, like, you know, what's the difference?
The Chablis was actually in fashion back in the 70s. It's Chardonnay. It's actually one of the best Chardonnay in the world. It's usually not oaked, very minerally because there's limestone soil there. California winemakers, that's what they're going for, is that style, and to mimic Chablis.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
On Behind the Burner, you can enjoy this exclusive opportunity